Hello again. Welcome back. I think you already know what we're gonna discover today. Right, it's a robotic arm. The robotic arm has been invented a long time ago to help ancient civilizations manipulate different objects. Even ancient Egyptians used to use robotic arms to help them move big rocks. But nowadays, with help of motors, electricity, the internet, and communications, we can manipulate robotic arms locating in hundreds or thousands of miles away from the robotic arm. The device helps us to manipulate an object called manipulator, and in many cases, it looks like well-known gaming joystick. As we discovered early, the earliest lifting devices were levers. Without these devices, it is impossible to imagine the construction of the Egyptian pyramids, which are more than 4,500 years old. The lever was driven by human muscular energy. The lever is the simplest mechanism, which is a beam rotating around a pivot. And this is some sort of early robotic arm when people start applying some physics to simplify hard work. Later, in the steam epoch, the 18th and 19th centuries, steam and hydraulic machines began to be used as sources of motion, which is when the prototype of today's manipulator appeared. Steam power had much more benefits than muscle power, but its mechanisms were huge and heavy. One more incredible mechanism we used in our model transmission called worm drive. One more incredible mechanism we used in our model transmission called worm drive.